Hey guys, today is April the 1st, Tuesday. The time is 4:32 p.m. Una sa lahat, I would like to greet you all happy April Fool's Day. Kahit na sa Pilipinas ay tapos na ang April Fool's Day. Late ako nakatulog kanina madaling araw. Nakatulog ako 5 na. Kasi nag-aaral pa ako for my exams this Friday. It's going to be on my foundations course, Introduction to Communications. Worth 9 credits siya. So, medyo mabigat sa total GPA ko. So, kailangan ko talaga mag-aral. I still have 2 more papers due next week. One of them is due on Monday. 12 pages yon. Tapos, the other one is due on Wednesday. It's a take-home exam and it's going to be about 35 pages. Kasi 5 pages per question siya. Bigat, ang bigat. Magiging busy ako until the end of the month. Ang problema, lately, nagiging tamad talaga ako. Nawawala na ako ng motivation to study. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nawawala na ako ng gana mag-aral. And it saddens me kasi gagraduate na yung mga batchmates ko sa LB. Tapos ako na lang yung naiiwan mag-isa. Well, may mga ibang na-delay. Pero, syempre, iba pa rin yung feeling na you're graduating with your batchmates. Well, wala naman tayong magagawa since tapos na nangyari na, nandito na ako and all. Yun lang, nawawala na lang ako ng motivation. Kailangan ko ng tulong. Sa totoo lang. Para magkaroon ulit ng drive to study. And I sorely lack time management skills and self-control. Because usually, pag tinatamad ako, tinutulog ko na lang siya. Or, kinakalimutan meron akong responsibility. But, no, I try my best to study naman para hindi mapabayaan yung grades. Pero, ewan, wala na talaga ako ng drive sa buhay. What else? Nakakamiss yung nagsusulat at yung ang tawag mo dito, nakakamiss yung dating buhay, pero, well, wala na rin tayong magagawa. Dahil ganito nga, busy. What I'm trying to say is, I may be materialistically contented, but, yung sa sarili mo, yung personal sense of achievement and contentment sa sarili, wala sa ngayon. Moving on to something lighter. Ayoko naman na maging depressing tong first entry ko. Let's see. Meron akong ginawang video diary entry last week. Kaso lang, gamit siya yung webcam. So, ang tagal niyang ma-upload sa YouTube or sa Multiply. I've been trying to upload it since last weekend. Ang tagal. Tapos laging naghahang. Tapos hindi nakakompleto yung download. Mas enjoyable panoorin yung entry na yon kasi yun yung punong-puno ako ng caffeine sa katawan. At wala akong pinagsasabi kundi puro gibberish. I'll still try to upload it. Hopefully when I'm less busy. Naisipan kong subukan tong ganitong sistema ng pag-update ng buhay ko. Kasi it's more efficient on my part. Kasi I don't use my hands. And, well, I still find writing more comfortable. Kasi, mas marami akong nasasabi. Kasi nagsasalita ako dito, I'm put on the spot. At hindi ko alam kung ano pang ipagdadaldal ko. Pero this one is more efficient in a sense that if you're pressed for time, you can just go ramble on at whatever. it doesn't take that much time katulad nung pag gumagawa ko ng long ass blog entries. But anyway, uh, I'll do both things. I could keep my video diary and then I could still maintain my blog. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Hindi pa siguro ngayon. Siguro sa summer vacation. Ano pa ba masasabi ko? Wala naman masyadong bago sa akin. Pa rin, as usual. Wala na yata akong nightlife, wala akong social life. Meron lang ako academic life, tsaka work life. At ang aking academic life, katulad nga sinabi ko sa inyo, unsatisfying. Pero wala tayong magagawa. Social life wise, well, most of my friends right now are also busy kasi patapos na ang term. Yun. Hindi rin ako masyadong naglalabas kasi ang shift ko sa work hanggang gabi. So, it's from 5 o'clock p.m. until 9 p.m. And my house is an hour 15 minutes away from my work. So, when I get home, shower ng konti, check ng emails, do a little bit of the readings or assignments or whatever, tapos tulog na ulit. Sige, gising ka na naman for the following day. Napaka-mundane ng buhay ko. So, totoo lang. It's very boring. Nawawala lang yung pagiging boring niya pagka nag-shopping ako. That is another thing that I want to talk about next time. Alright. So, anyway, sinusubukan ko lang tong video recording yung YouTube, actually. To see if it works. And if it doesn't, well, screw me, di ba? Hindi nyo to mapapanood. Anyway, ano po ba masasabi ko? Reply, pag napapanood nyo to. At, magkikita-kita ulit tayo sa summer vacation. Hopefully, mas ma-update ko na kayo sa aking buhay. Anyway, yun lang ulit. Happy April Fool's Day. Belated. Sa akin ngayon, currently, yes, Happy April Fool's Day. Sa inyo ay belated. Ano ba? Yun lang. I'll see you soon. And thank you for watching. Bye.